Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10th exercise 3.6 question number first part 4. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line and consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about reducing system. It means what is reducing system, how you can solve your question by reducing system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the word. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.6. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. Question first part 4. Here 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. It is given equation. You reduce given equation and solve it and find the value of x and the value of y. Clear? No confusion? Very good. See the word. Let 1 by x minus 1 equal to u. Then 5 by x minus 1 equal to 5u. It is clear? And 1 by y minus 2 equal to v. Then 1 by y minus 2. Here 1 by y minus 2 equal to v. Now you can write equation here. Then 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2 r here 5 by x minus 1 equal to 5u. 5u plus v equal to 2. Equation first. It is equation first. Equation first is clear. No confusion about it. It is 5u. 5u plus v equal to 2. And 6 by x minus 1 equal to 6u. 3 by y minus 2 equal to 3v. Then 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1 r. 6u minus 3v equal to 1. Equation second. It is equation second and it is equation first. Clear? No confusion about it. It is equation first and it is equation second. Now multiply by 5 in equation second, multiply by 6 in equation first. Multiply by 6 in equation first and multiply by 5 in equation second. It is clear? Here you find equation third and fourth. Multiply by 6 in equation 5u plus v equal to 2. 5 6 are 30. 30u plus 6v equal to 12. It is equation third and multiply by 5 in equation second. You find 5 6 are 30. U minus 5 3 is 15v equal to 5 1 is 5. It is equation 4. You find equation third and equation 4. Clear? Subtract equation third from equation 4. Subtract equation third from equation 4. 30u minus 15v equal to 5. Equation 4. 30u plus 6v equal to 12. Equation third. Draw a line and change its sign. Here minus and here minus. You can cut plus 30u minus 30u. Clear? Here minus 15v and here 6v. You add it. It become minus 21v equal to here plus 5 here minus 12. You subtract it. It become minus 7. You can cut minus and minus. 21v equal to 7. V equal to 7 by 21. You can cut it. 7 1 ja 7 3 ja. V equal to 1 by 3. You find V equal to 1 by 3. Now put V equal to 1 by 3 in equation third. Put V equal to 1 by 3 in equation third. Equation third is 30u plus 6v equal to 12. Equation third. Put v equal to 1 by 3. 30u plus 6 multiply 1 by 3 equal to 12. You can cut 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. It become 30u plus 2 equal to 12. You write 2 on right side. It becomes 30 u equal to 12 minus 2 equal to 10. V equal to 10 by 30. You can cut 10 1 ja, 10 3 ja. You find V equal to 1 by 3. You find U equal to 1 by 3 and V equal to 1 by 3. Both are same. U equal to 1 by 3 and V equal to 1 by 3. Now here you let 1 by x minus 1 equal to u. U equal to 1 by x minus 1 equal to, here you write 1 by 3 and cross multiply. It become 3 equal to x minus 1. You can write minus 1 on left side of equal. It become 3 plus 1 equal to x. It means 4 equal to x. You find x equal to 4. And here v equal to, you let v equal to, here 1 by y minus 2. V equal to 1 by y minus 2 equal to, here you find the value of v 1 by 3. Clear? Here v 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Cross multiply. It become y minus 2 equal to 3. You write minus 2 on the right side. It become y equal to 3 plus 2, y equal to 5. To find y equal to 5 and x equal to, here x equal to 4, y equal to 5. We solve the equation and we find x equal to, here 4 and y equal to 5. It is your answer. In this way you can solve any question very easily and you can find the value of x and the value of y. Solution is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.